Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Now click on advanced options, then select troubleshoot, select advanced options, and then select command prompt. It will open command prompt window. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk /f/r c : and hit enter to execute this command. Type c : then hit enter. Then type cd space c : / and hit enter. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and hit enter. Type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space c : /. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space c : /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c : \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space c : /boot /bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.